good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I am Rhea Ibarra Pableo, 37 years old, married with 3 children. 1 girl, 19 years old, 2 boy, 13, 11. I have 3 siblings, 2 boy, 1 sister. I am second child in the family. I'm college level, taking computer secretarial.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia. For my first employer, I worked 3 years, 7 months with 7 members of the family, 1 couple, and 5 children. Ages 16, 14, 9, 5, 4. I do cooking, cleaning, washing, and taking care baby. For my second employer, 5 members of the family, 1 couple, 3 children, ages 4 to newborn. I do cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, taking baby.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I take the children, I check the temperature, or call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself to be honest and patient.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness
No,
before?
sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad for the future of my family and for the future of my family, especially to my children.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
Keep busy.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
The time of wake up is around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. For the time of my sleep, around 10 p.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
No, be calm, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Baby shark, toot, baby shark, toot, baby shark. Mommy shark, toot, mommy shark, toot, baby shark. Daddy shark, toot, daddy shark, toot, baby shark.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me, and I promise to do my best, and I'm willing to learn.
Okay.